In the days before screens and notifications, when writer's block hit, there was a quiet voice that whispered ideas. That was your creative muse, guiding, gently tugging at the strands of brilliance that lead to creative breakthroughs in us all. Hi, I'm Don Knowlton.
I'm Sunishka Sharma.
And I am Victorine Ontiarino.
And we are the founders of Muse.
And we're happy to share what is becoming one of the most fulfilling projects we've engaged in.
Muse reconnects you to that inner voice, crafting personalized journeys that bring your creative dreams vividly to life. While most GenAI tools help you generate output, Muse helps you generate meaning.
You enter exactly as you are, with your doubts, hopes, ideas. Here, meet by a muse who listens, understands, and guides you deeper into your own imagination. This isn't just about AI making art. It's about AI inspiring it.
There are plenty of creativity tools out there, but clarity tools that create meaning, are rare. Muse learns and adapts to you, offering personalized personas that match your emotional tone and creative process. Create solo, join inspired group sessions, and explore rich dreamscapes or design your own creative rituals. Export your insights directly to Adobe applications, creating mood boards and importing assets that keep your vision alive.
Powered by Rosetta.api with advanced emotional and adaptive storytelling capabilities, Muse isn't just a tool. It's your creative companion, alive, responsive. Where other AI generates content, Muse generates clarity, meaning, and deeper connection to your creative essence.
You leave every session energized with clear insights, practical next steps, and tangible artifacts seamlessly integrated with your Adobe workflow. Your creative spark doesn't end when the session does. It lives on in the mood boards, assets, and inspired clarity you carry forward.
People have received inspiration from our Muse for time uncounted. Let's invite the Muse back into our creative process, transforming possibilities into realities.
Where technology meets consciousness.
Muse is ready. Let's create meaning together.